Growing one's facial hair mostly depends on genetics, as it significantly determines how fast your facial hair develops. However, there are still natural methods that can be applied to improve your chances of growing your facial hair at a quicker rate. Remember that improving the growth of your facial hair requires more commitment than artificial and/or chemical methods. This video will show you a step-by-step process of how you can boost your facial hair growth naturally. How does facial hair growth work? The speed at which your beards and other facial hairs develop from the point of puberty to manhood is pretty much determined by your genes. In most cases, your genes will determine your facial hair growth cycle, when it falls out, and how it regrows. If your family genes have a faster rate of facial hair growth, you are more likely to see your facial hair grow faster and vice versa. The development and growth of facial hairs on the body involve the enzyme 5-alpha reductase. This enzyme performs an essential function in the body. The enzyme 5-alpha reductase helps change the natural stores of testosterone in the human body into dihydrotestosterone, DHT. This new hormone, dihydrotestosterone, DHT, attaches itself to body receptors and helps to facilitate the growth of facial hairs. In addition, the speed of facial hair growth is not determined by the amount of available testosterone, but by the sensitivity of your follicles to dihydrotestosterone, DHT. How to speed facial hair growth naturally. 1. Clean and moisturize your skin frequently. Cleaning and moisturizing your skin often can significantly help increase the speed at which you grow facial hair. The explanation behind it is straightforward. When growing facial hairs, your follicles must be very clean to receive dihydrotestosterone, DHT. When your skin is not clean, your follicles can become blocked and prevent the reception of dihydrotestosterone, DHT. However, cleaning and moisturizing the skin is essential to keep the hair strands open and receptive. In addition to cleaning and moisturizing, ensure you exfoliate your skin at least twice a week. 2. Exercise. Exercising your body is crucial if you want your facial hair to grow faster. When you exercise, the testosterone level in the body rises, boosting hair growth according to some studies. Exercises such as strength training and weightlifting have been linked with facial hair growth. 3. Take more vitamins. Specific vitamins and minerals help increase the beard and facial hair growth rate in the body. Some of these vitamins help to make inactive follicles active again, helping them to regrow more facial hair. One of the vitamins you should have in your diet is vitamin D, which helps maintain and reactivate receptors in follicles. Some primary vitamin D sources include fortified plant-based milk, fish, and eggs. According to PubMed, another vitamin needed for facial hair growth is vitamin B. Vitamin B has been linked with helping with healthy facial hair growth. 4. Quit smoking. Smoking has been directly linked with the damage and inflammation of blood vessels that nourish hair follicles. When you quit smoking, damage to your blood cells and hair follicles is prevented. 5. Increase your sleep hours. Doing something as simple as increasing the number of hours you sleep can help speed up the growth of your beard. The explanation is that not sleeping up to the required number of hours reduces the natural testosterone in your body. When the amount of testosterone your body produces slows, the quantity of dihydrotestosterone, DHT, your follicles receive decreases. But sleeping for more hours leads to more dihydrotestosterone production and subsequently more facial hair. All these steps are how you can naturally stimulate facial hair growth rate. Remember to give this video a like and please comment on what you think of these procedures. And don't forget to turn on your notifications to see more videos from this channel.